In the words of the great Iroh, R.I.P. in the spirit realm, tea, the cause and solution to all of life's problems. I've never had tea cause a problem, but it certainly has solved a few. Now, if you think that tea is just hot water on leaves, you're wrong. If you're not cooking your tea right, it's only going to cause more problems. I'm going to teach you how to make a proper cup of tea. All you need to know is what kind of tea you're drinking and what temperature you need your water. For your chamomiles, green teas, white teas, you're gonna wanna make sure that your temperature is set to about 170 degrees to 180 degrees. That'll allow your tea not to burn, but it'll also allow for all of those nutrients to be sucked into the water. Number 2 is Oolong. You're gonna wanna boil at around 180 to 190. Next is the black teas and the caffeinated tea. You're gonna want that temperature about 208 to 212. And yes, I know I haven't shaved in weeks. It's called depression.